Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're making these gorgeous almond puff pastries. Flaky, buttery pastry with a creamy almond center and crunchy sliced almonds on top. They're simple to make, but look straight out of a bakery. Let's start with the almond cream, also called frangipane. In a bowl, cream together 100 grams of softened butter and 100 grams of sugar until it's light and fluffy. Beat in 1 large egg and a teaspoon of almond extract until smooth. Now mix in 100 grams of almond flour, plus a pinch of salt until it's creamy and well combined. Set this filling aside while we prepare the pastry. Place a thawed puff pastry sheet on a lightly floured surface. Cut it into even pieces, about 3 by 4 inches or 7 by 10 centimeters. Then take a round cookie cutter and gently press a circle in the center of each piece, but don't cut all the way through. This creates a little border so the edges puff up nicely while the filling stays in the middle. Line a tray with parchment and lay out your scored squares. Drop 1 generous tablespoon of almond cream right in the middle. Stay inside that scored line. Egg wash. Crack 1 egg, beat with a fork, just a light whisk. Brush the edges, it'll puff and glow golden. Sprinkle sliced almonds generously over the filling and around the edges for crunch and flavor. Press them gently so they stick. Bake at 200 Celsius, 400 Fahrenheit, 15 to 18 minutes, till they're puffed high and golden. Look at those layers. Flaky puff pastry, creamy almond filling, perfect with coffee or tea. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy cafe-style baking ideas. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.